Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Thanks for joining us. We're glad that you're here. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together we're back here on Musing Science and Technology channel.
Yeah, and we're talking about a health topic today, kind of like what we did earlier today, but this is involving a consumable fruit. And I'm just giving you a warning. There's going to be some word butchering in this one, at least from me. So just giving you a heads up. Here we go.
Like I was telling Scott, if you vape, then you should probably eat this fruit.
Yeah.
A little study fruit related to the kiwiberry is drawing specific attention for its potential to interfere with early cancer-related processes. Lung cancer remains the leading cause of cancer-related death in the United States and worldwide, with smoking as its primary risk factor. As a result, scientists continue searching for compounds that can block the earliest stages of cancer before tumors develop. Would you like to know more?
Okay, one unexpected candidate is a small fruit known as Sarunashi. I'm not going to even go with a Latin version.
You got to say that while you're sneezing. Sarunashi.
Sarunashi, yeah. Commonly referred to as the kiwiberry, which is being studied by researchers at the Okayama University. In a study published in the journal Genes and Environment on December 9th, 2025, the team found that juice from the fruit reduced lung tumor formation in mice exposed to NNK, a tobacco-related carcinogen. The juice also lowered the number of tumor nodules in the lungs, while one of its best-known compounds, isoquercetin, or ISO-Q, showed protective effects of its own. So that's pretty promising.
Yeah. In cell experiments, the juice also expressed AKT, a protein or ACT, a protein that helps drive cancer growth. Together, these results suggest that the fruit may interfere with both the startup of cancer and the signals that help tumors keep growing. They also found that Sarunashi juice reduced the DNA damaging effects of NNK and MNNG, which are chemicals known to cause mutations and are often used in cancer research. But that protection disappeared in a strain that lacks important DNA repair enzymes. This suggests the juice may help cells repair harmful genetic damage rather than simply shielding them from it.
Okay, Dr. Aramoto Kobayashi said, in this study, we sought to investigate the chemo preventive effects of A. argunta juice.
That's the kiwiberry thing, Sarunashi.
Yeah. And its constituting component, ISO-Q, on 4, methyl nitrosamino, 1, 3, pyridyl, I'm sure I butchered that one, 1, butanone, I don't know, which is the NNK-induced lung tumorigenesis in, in A, couldn't spread these out a little bit, huh? In A/J mice, whatever that is, I don't know. Maybe that's the beginning mice and then down the road a little bit. What is J?
Non-binary mice.
Non-binary. Okay. And identify the possible mechanisms underlying the anti-tumorigenic effects of A. argunta.
So, Scott, can you just tell us that paragraph in English? Can you do that?
I thought you were going to ask me to read it again. No, I can't and I will not. So,
in a follow-up study, the team tested a tea made from the leaves and twigs of the Sarunashi juice and found that it also showed anti-mutagenic activity in the Ames test against several well-known mutagens, including aflatoxin, B1, benzoapirenine, MELQX, TRPP2, and PHLP. I guess chemists know what those are.
Yeah.
The tea appeared weaker than the juice, suggesting the active compounds may be present at lower concentrations. But the overlap was enough to hint that both preparations may rely on some of the same protective chemistry.
In mice treated with DMH, a chemical used to trigger precancerous changes in the colon, Sarunashi tea significantly reduced the total number of aberrant, crypt, foci, or ACF. Why didn't we just call it that to begin with? Which are widely used as an early warning sign of colorectal tumor development. The total ACF count in tea-treated mice fell to 60.5% of the level seen in the DMH-only group, and smaller ACF lesions also dropped significantly. Okay.
No colon tumors were seen during the study period, but the reduction in these early lesions suggests the plant may have broader chemopreventative potential than initially thought. The findings indicate that giving mice SAR-J, Sarunashi juice, by mouth reduced the development of lung tumors. While clinical trials are still needed, the compounds that make up the SAR-J, including ISO-Q, appear to be promising options for cancer prevention.
Okay, we like it.
You had all the scientific gobbledygook to prove that this works. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. And again, sorry for butchering. For those of you who listen that know what this stuff is, sorry for the word butchering, but I have a hard enough time with the English language, so it's bad enough having to do this kind of stuff. Anyway, good story though. This sounds promising. We like these stories.
Especially for smokers or vapors.
Yeah. Well, and colorectal cancer is just that's not good, right?
Yeah.
You get that. They start cutting stuff and yeah, it's not good. So.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you tomorrow.
Take care, everyone. Have a good night. We'll talk to you in the morning.